What's up, guys? So I got a lot of work to do today. A lot of cleanup. Explorer running. Taurus, we got some issues with the Taurus. Not gonna be doing any go fast yet. I'm trying to investigate and see if we have a potential oil leak. We're gonna have to pull all this stuff out. Pull this out, the vacuum lines. Gonna have to pull that out. Strip bar, gonna have to pull that out. Get back there and see if I can. I don't have a lift. I have ramps, but we're doing that. I got a table I need to set up. We gotta clean some of this stuff up. I got another box, but I need to go through there, reorganize all this stuff, get back all together. And here's a hint for what went wrong with the Explorer recently. A lot of things been going on. The Honda has claimed a deer, and yeah, so there's that. Lovely. It's been wonderful. It's been truly wonderful. But first, I need to get more lighting in here. I gotta get a divider for this extension so I can plug in that light right there, get some more light in here. And unfortunately, one of our lights broke, so we're dealing with that. I am gonna save this clip though, but the light is trashed. It broke it. It broke it. Put that there. That alarm is starting to annoy the out of me. The thing about working night shifts is you got all these alarms. Got battery out. We gotta do a video on that. This thing is looking disgusting. Like, it's getting bad, guys. Oh man, I haven't been able to give the Taurus the attention that it deserves. It's starting to show. Yeah, our catch can was also full. That's scary. Yeah, I need to find that white divider. I know I got one somewhere. It's literally right here. Still some deer hair. So all the power that I have out here is essentially coming through this one extension cord, which I'm gonna get a new extension cord eventually, but for now this is what is it. I am probably one of the messiest like YouTube mechanics on here, dude. Like I'm so messy. I'm always pressed for time, so I'm like I never have time for cleanup, and I'm always pretty much like just playing catch up on cleanup. Oh no, my speaker. My speaker. My oldest JBL thing's on the ground. What the hell? Did the connection swell? Oh wait, that's for the fan. Oops. That goes up there. No, I was like, why not go whole? Why not go whole? There we go. Hey, power. Oh, we got AMSOIL over there for the Honda. That's the daily now. This was the daily. You're gonna be going to the body shop soon. But yeah, the Taurus has been just kind of neglected, and I hate it. I hate having to neglect this car. I love this car so much. That door is pretty much useless. Oh yeah, the light. This is the ADHD actively working. That be light. I bought a table. I'm gonna set the table up here. Might as well lock this door because no one can use it. Right, does this door not lock? Somebody doesn't lock. I don't want anyone like opening the door and knocking over the table. Oh no, it locks. Okay. Like, this is just an oversized carport, gravel in it. So, but it's what I have to work with, so I'm working with it. We got quite the mess. So let me get the table. Voila! Hey, look, a tire. Oh yeah, I forgot. I bought extensions. Good. I was about to head to Harbor Freight and get more extensions, but look, I got extensions. Yippee! That tire, I had a blowout on this. That tire was the replacement for the blowout, and then I got a set of matching tires. It just made better sense. But I got extensions. We're gonna need them today. Okay. Oh, I'm so strong. Oh, yeah. Very nice. That old Milwaukee that I've had forever. I got dreams. We all have dreams. Oh, that one's full. Yeah. Why won't you close? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're heavy. Oh, you're big heavy. I put a lot of these stuff in you. Okay. All right, we got those out of the way. Oh, I forgot the table. Idiot. My hyper tough cheap socket set. I got a nice cobalt one over there. Bower. Okay, I better seal that one. Better seal this one. Oh, it does. Sweet. Okay. Bought this off of TikTok shop because I have that Milwaukee hex. Put it on there. Okay. That's all my like detailing stuff. Move it out of the way for now. Alright. I had to dig through here to get my heat gun, which was buried all the way at the bottom. Of course it was. But this is just, I just have this for storage right now because I don't have a toolbox. And I don't have a toolbox because I'm not going to spend money on a nice toolbox and then put it in a shop that's not sealed. I don't want to get a nice, and plus having a toolbox and gravel is just makes no sense. So I want to get this paved, get a slab in here. The ADHD is kicking off today, guys. I tell you what. Ow. Ha ha. Wow. All I had was white, but that's okay. That way there's no excuse to hit it at night. I don't have my knife on me. I better go get that. Back on task. 6-foot table. That's roughly 6 feet, right? 45 bucks at Dollar Jean. God damn. Oh, there we go. Okay, opens up just like that. What's does it give a weight capacity? No, it doesn't. Yeah. Oh yeah, daddy. Look at that. Like a glove. Okay, whoops. Get that out of the way. Yeah. Definitely not level. It's under there. Oh, yeah. Ew, you're gross. Okay, bucket. Okay. Okay, that kind of works. I'm definitely pushing the limits of this table. Put some stuff on it, can't put a whole ton, but it should be enough to hold everything that I need off the ground. Okay. And that way, have all my sockets. Right there. Right. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put detailing stuff over here, power tools and everything over there. Okay. So our power tools are right here. Sockets, extensions. This is gonna be our detailing box right here.